the Earth, Cymru! For 40 years we've been campaigning alongside our grassroots network for a just and sustainable future in Wales, for people and for planet. Our lives are affected more and more by climate change, some of us more than others.
The whole town where I live in, Taftwell, was devastated by floods.
We've got to stop releasing emissions that wreck our climate so no one gets left behind.
For the sake of the climate and the well-being of future generations, striving for a fossil-free future has always been crucial. We worked with local groups and activists to ban fracking. We got pension funds to shift millions of pounds out of fossil fuels. With local communities, we've stopped coal extraction in Wales, time after time, but our work is far from over.
We have suffered 17 years of open cast coal mining here. We've suffered the noise, the dust, pollution. It's been a misery at times, and we were promised that this land would go back to greenbelt land and it would be safe for the community to use. The company now, they've walked away. They've said they don't have the money to restore it, and we are left with a massive void filling up with water, which is so dangerous.
Old industrial sites must be made safe and restored. They can't be an excuse to resurrect a coal industry, damaging to nature, climate and communities.
For the past 40 years, we've been working to protect people and wildlife from pollution.
Back in the 1980s, we raised awareness of acid rain, and in the 90s, we gathered evidence of the Cymru oil spill. More recently, we helped stop polluting incinerators being built. There's more to do, however, and the pollution you can't see in air, water and soil is alarming.
We've helped secure life-saving clean air legislation, and we're calling for action on microplastics.
Microplastics are in everything. I have the privilege of living on the Bristol Channel. It's beautiful. So it's important to me to see that what's coming into the Bristol Channel through the rivers, there are 4 in Cardiff, and all of them are demonstrated to be polluted with microplastics. All of those impact the health of the Bristol Channel.
Everyone deserves the right to a healthy environment, and that means holding polluters to account.
In the 25 years since devolution, Friends of the Earth Cymru have helped shape groundbreaking policies and legislation.
With our local groups, we'll continue to fight for environmental and climate justice.
My favourite thing about being a volunteer, it gives you a real good sense of doing something good. It makes you feel good, doesn't it? It's just a nice thing to do, to know you've done your part.
And solutions to help people and the planet. Like making it easier for people to walk, cycle and use public transport. Like heating our homes in a way that's friendly to the planet and our pockets. Like helping us dress more sustainably and keeping our stuff in circulation for as long as possible.
Together, we've really made a difference over the past 40 years, winning campaign after campaign. Thanks to our local groups, supporters and everyone else we worked with.